So today I'm going to introduce you to our new chair. It's amazing for you as a lash artist. We have to keep in mind as lash artists, as much as we care for our clients, we have to care for ourselves as well. So what people don't realize is back in the day, I actually started as a lash artist. So in 2012, I started lashing from home. And let me tell you, when I started to get busy, I was booked back to back. And the issue that I had was finding the proper chair where my neck and my back wasn't hurting. So the reason why I love this chair is because there's different ways that you can use this. So obviously you can throw this in the back and you can use this as like a traditional saddle stool. It's really great because it does have back support. I personally don't like arm support because I feel like it gets in the way of me working, but this is like the traditional way in which we lash. Super comfortable, but as hours go on and we're lashing, this can swivel around. So the good thing is, if you're not using it to its full capacity, you can put tools down here, you can put your baby down here. I'm just kidding. But also, like, you can switch your legs up so you get in a good stretch, or you can wrap this all the way around and you can crisscross this. And it's super comfortable for you. It's really good because you get to stretch your back, and it's perfect because your client will be positioned perfectly in the recliner. So there's also different ways during the appointment. If you start to feel like stiff and you want to move around, you can place this on either side and lift up your legs so it stretches like your hips and it alleviates any back pain, and you're still underneath the recliner. So it's really comfortable. Also, if you have the infamous recliner base, you just want to check the measurements. And also it will vary on what chair you're using, because with this chair there's different positions. It even goes all the way back. So you just want to pay attention to those measurements to make sure it's suitable for you. Okay, and then it does extend all the way up, of course, and then it does go all the way down. And I'll be sure to put the measurements when it's extended and all the way down as well in the caption below. I hope you guys got a ton of value from this episode. If you haven't yet already, subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Olivor Lash. And if you're interested in this chair, use code CHAIR10. We hope to see you guys in the next episode.